Dr. Venturera. Nice to meet you. How are you? Hello. Hi. How are you?
Royce D'Souza's story is about how to face adversity head-on. Royce's advanced years, 17, and his imposing size make him stand out at CHIO. But as Royce begins the most frightening experience of his life, we'll see why he stands out for many more reasons.
We're going to put on these little stickers that look like a donut, about 5 or 6 of them.
Pediatric neurosurgeon Enrique Ventura is preparing Royce for brain surgery, an event that would have been unimaginable to Royce only a few months ago. That's when he started having weird seizures in 3D, and then in class.
Yeah, I passed out, and the only thing I remembered was the teacher waking me up and said, you had a good nap, and I said, yeah, I did, but I didn't realize that I had a seizure.
Because risk area here we cannot determine that well.
A series of tests, x-rays and magnetic resonance imaging found the reason for Royce's seizures. The results shocked his family.
Royce has a brain tumor that presented with seizures, with epilepsy, and then x-rays, particularly MRI, show that he has a brain tumor on the right side of his brain.
Even as the doctor starts shaving his head for the operation, Royce's only thoughts are positive.
Oh, it's excellent. People have treated me pretty great so far.
Remarkable technology that helped doctors discover Royce's tumor will also help them destroy it.
Okay, Royce?
Doctors can take these detailed images of the tumor and its location right into the operating room with them, thanks to equipment that's new to CHIO called image-guided surgery, or IGS. Even the most sophisticated images cannot tell the surgeon whether the tumor growing inside Royce's head is cancerous or benign. They won't know until surgery. Meantime, they have to prepare the D'Souzas for the most frightening day of their lives.
Okay, this is the consent of the surgery. Dr. Venturera is the neurosurgeon.
Right.
And myself, exactly, Dr. Mantu will assist him.
Paul and Magdalene D'Souza marvel at the strength of their son. Hours away from surgery, Royce has lost none of his sense of humor.
I'm missing my finals, though, so I'm pretty happy about that.
Any brain surgery involves risks, and emotions change when Dr. Rita Mazzagri goes over what that might mean.
Very seldom could injury to the tissue may happen and will cause like stroke. It could be minor or major stroke. It doesn't mean that's going to happen, but just to let you know all the possibility, the stroke from nothing to death. It's a broad spectrum.
Speaking about the risk, yeah, I guess I'm kind of freaked out now. Before I just thought, okay, he's going to go and take it out and we'll be all happy and we go home. But yeah, now, I guess now I'm getting hit by the shock that I was talking about earlier.
I've never ever felt so scared in my life.
No, this is something is.
The morning of the surgery, Royce's family gathers strength. And the medical team prepares the IGS system that will guide the surgeons through the operation.
You see here on a different cut, this would be an axial cut of the skull.
It decreases the risk and the potential for complications of the operation, what we call morbidity, and these patients are able to recover much faster without problems.
And let's see where we are.
Before the surgeons make a single incision into the brain, they study EEG readings that will tell them the safest way to approach the tumor.
This part of the operation is to detect any seizure activity, after which we will remove the tumor.
When doctors reach the tumor, the first thing they do is take a small section to be analyzed while the surgery is still underway. These preliminary results can sometimes tell them whether it's cancerous or benign. Then, over the next few hours, they remove the entire growth and share what they've learned with Royce's worried parents.
Well, so far we have good news, yes.
Thank you very much.
I think so, yeah, I think so. The surgery went very well. I think we have removed the tumor, and the tumor seems to be, so far, appears to be a benign tumor. Non-cancerous, non-cancerous. Non-cancerous, so far, but I need a few days to know the final diagnosis.
The news prompts Royce's mom to use 2 words in the same sentence she would never dream of using just hours earlier.
As the doctor said, it's a good tumor, and I'm really happy with it.
A few days in intensive care, a few weeks recovering at home, Royce returns to doing what he does best.
Royce D'Souza, perfect attendance, design and technology 11A, and honor society grade 11.
Winning academic awards at school. Royce's formidable skills in class have carried him through school. His emotional strength carried his family through the most difficult time of their lives.
It kept racing through my mind. Am I supposed to be scared? Am I not supposed to be scared? What should I do to keep them calm? I tried figuring out a way to comfort them, but there was just no answer. It was a thing that, parents, like, I guess they love me and they didn't want to lose me or something. It must have been that.